Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm doing a fast little video to talk about a item that I actually got today in the mail, so let's actually talk about it. So if y'all see the unboxing of the video, I had a little bit of complaints towards this. Now, I'm not going to go into full complaint mode with this company because they are fairly new. And I decided to give them a chance and to work with them and help them, push out their products. So let's talk about this particular item right here. This is a big ass lightsaber. I'm not gonna front. This thing is really big compared towards this lightsaber I got right here. If you've seen my other video, you've probably seen the comparisons, but so this is my Obi-Wan. I love this saber right here. Y'all know I have a lot of sabers. If y'all seen the first part of the video, then you kind of know what I was talking about. So, I had a little bit of gripes with this saber because the simple fact is when I got it, there was some mint damage towards it. Like this part right here, it's all scuffed up, as you can see, and some scuffed parts right here, some scuff and stuff right there. There's actually a big ass dent. Where is it? Am I tripping? Right here, there it is. That thing's like so minor. You can see it right there. And sorry for my nails. Sorry about that. I was actually cleaning up this saber. Trying to clean this thing up, and it had a lot of dirt and dust and stuff on it. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. That's why I got gloves on. That's why I normally use gloves when I'm dealing with lightsabers and I'm using different things to clean stuff up. That's why I got gloves on here. Plus I have still recovering from that. So yeah. Plus I got a cut on my hand also. But yeah, this saber is actually type cool. I actually took down this whole entire saber. I like the way how this thing is, and there's also a dentation right there, big ass dent right there. I don't know how well the camera be able to see it, but yeah. I took apart this entire saber, fairly easy saber. I kind of had some problems with it. One, trying to get the blade in. Basically, when I took apart the saber, I had to basically shave down the inside of it with some I can't even think right now. I basically had to shave it down with some freaking sandpaper. I sand down inside some of the parts of this black part that's inside where the crystal chamber is. I had to remove the crystal chamber. I am going to buy another chamber from them to have a different color. So I might airbrush this chamber when I get the other one. Probably change out the crystal, whatever it may be. But yeah, it's a fairly easy thing to take down. If you take out these two screws right here, remove the set screw right here, remove the glass eye. And I am going to tell you when you remove the glass eye, you're going to need a little tool like a vice grip or something like that to undo this because they got this sucker on here tight. Once you move this set screw, you move this glass eye on top of it. You remove these two parts right here. You'll be able to remove the crystal chamber out. You'll also be able to need to remove this, and you need to remove the bunny ears, which is two set screws inside here in the middle. You can see it right there. This removes, that's the thing what I like about this. This actually looks just like a Graflex. I have my Graflex way behind me, but I'm not gonna go get it. Everything on this thing looks really good. Once you take these screws out right here and remove these screws right here, you gotta remove these pins. So basically you gotta just like take it and pull it. Also take it and pull it. Remove the two screws right here, remove this, two pins here. You'll be able to take this entire part off and remove this whole top part off of it. I didn't get a chance to actually try to look at this part right here. I know it's a screw that's set inside here. So once I'm able to like fully. I mean, I was able to actually get it, but I wasn't able to get to the part where I can actually see on this part. I know it is a screw that's holding on to this power box that's holding the switches inside. It's just I didn't get that far on top of it. I just wanted to be able to get a blade inside of it. It does come with a blade plug. The blade plug on here is I actually like this blade plug. Also with the pommel, I love the pommel very, very much. It has two parts, and the thing is, the way how this pommel actually is, you just rotate it right here. When you rotate it, you can get to this speaker part, and you get more sound coming out. If you want this thing, and the thing is, even with this on, it's not even muffled. So basically what happens is it still pushes the sound through the vents going through the sides right here. And it also pushes it all the way up that comes towards the chamber, the crystal chamber. I mean, this is a nice saber. I really like it. Let's just do this real quick. Get this back on there. I'm gonna let you guys hear it really quick. I gotta buy me a cord to actually change up this so I can change up the button settings on here for the 2 buttons. This is a 2-button saber right here. So yeah, once I be able to do everything, I'll be able to get the saber the way I want. I try to put some new fronts on here. It won't allow me to do it, so I am not going to sit up here tonight and try to figure out the whole settings towards coding this tonight. I'll do it tomorrow morning, which is Saturday. So like I said, glass eye removed. You just gotta really get your tools in here. Then you can remove this right here, and I kind of like that saber like that, so you can do it like that. I am gonna buy a Luke Skywalker bottom part. I do like this glass eye for it right there. Let's get this back on here. It's very simple just to put it on here. Just put it upside down and do this. If you guys do buy this saber, I will make a breakdown video for you guys showing you how to break it down, which is fairly easy and simple like that. It's nothing really too hard with it. So let's power it on real quick. As you can see right there, crystal chamber, everything right there. So you can do a twist on, twist off, power it on and power it off. Or you could just hit the button right here, turn it off. Simple like that. As you can hear, it's freaking loud. It's even louder when you got this pommel piece on, because now you get sound coming this way and you get sound coming straight through the where the crystal chamber is. But if I remove this, you're gonna hear the difference. So let's just take this off really quick. Power it on. So now you hear it more down at the bottom. And that's what it's kind of funny, because when you cover it up, you don't hear anything. And that's what's kind of weird. But when you got this on there, it still pushes it through here, but it also comes up towards here. So as you can hear right now, you can hear it mostly down here. So when I throw this on here, okay. And now you can hear it at the bottom, you can hear it up here. I mean, I like this thing. I mean, I like it, guys. I want to change up a lot of the things on here at the fronts. I have OSHA NSA on here. Let's just go there real quick.
OSHA.
And power it on. The reason why I want to do this is so I can actually change the color of the crystal. If you watch what happened when I do this real quick. I can just change it back like that. Now it's back to the light. As you can see like that.
Oh, sure.
I gotta hold it up like this to do it. There we go. So I actually want to do this with this because basically what happens is when I program the Profi to do the OSHA's bleeding of the saber, the crystal and the saber, everything, it will literally change the color of the crystal. So basically when it starts bleeding, you'll start seeing this part right here going from blue, then you start seeing just cracking all up in here until it's fully up into it's like fully red. Then you see this go red, then you see the middle part actually turn red like that. So yeah, I love this thing, guys, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Man, it's a big saber. It's real heavy. It's like back end heavy. It's heavy here and here, and it has a lot of balance. As you can see right here, it's more back heavy. So as you can see right there, it's just more back heavy right there. As you can see right there. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.